Hi guys, and welcome back to my course. In this video, we will learn about the new ways provided by ES6 to implement OOPS concepts. To create object factories, you can use the class keyword, just like you would do it in other programming languages like Java, etc. So this is the syntax. We use the class keyword followed by class name, and the class name should start with a capital letter, so it's just a standard. Inside the class name, we have our constructor function where we initialize the properties, and outside the constructor function, but inside the class, we have our methods. Now this is just syntax sugar. So everything behind the scene still works the same the way we saw in the JavaScript videos. So behind the scenes, it still creates those constructor functions, the prototypes, etc., etc. So let's try an example to understand it better. So if you see here, this is a constructor function, and to create a new object, we could simply do, say, var John is equal to new person, and we pass the values here. So name and birth year is expected. So let's say John 90. So if we try to print the details, so John dot get details, so it prints name John and age 29. Now let's try to rewrite this object factory using classes. So I'll just comment this. So the syntax is class keyword followed by class name. And we don't add parentheses here, we simply use curly braces. And inside that, we define a constructor function. So constructor, and this is where we pass the values to initialize our properties. So let's say name and birth year. The same thing which we did here. All right. And inside this constructor function, we define the properties. So this dot name is equal to name, and this dot year of birth is equal to birth year. Now to define this get details method, we can do it here outside the constructor, but inside the person class. So get details is equal to, we can create an anonymous arrow function. So for that, we simply do parenthesis, fat arrow, and curly braces for the function body. So this is returning this statement. So let's paste it here. Now instead of this concatenation, you can use string templates. So backticks, name, colon, space, dollar followed by curly braces, and we can use the expression here. So this dot name and age, colon, space, similarly for the age variable or the age property. So this dot year of birth, and to calculate it, 2019 minus the year of birth. So let's save it. Let's try calling this function. And as you can see, we still get name, John, and age 29. So if you update this value to say 94, we get age 25. So we just rewrote this function-based object factory using this class-based object factory. All right. So what happens is when you create a new instance, which is same as the way we used to do with functions, whatever values we pass here, they're sent to the constructor function. The constructor function defines our properties and initializes them with these values. And we have our methods over here. And that's all for today. I hope this gave you a better understanding of how to use classes to create object factories. But if you have any doubts or queries, feel free to drop a comment below or reach out to me on Twitter. I'll add my Twitter handle in the description below. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.